This is the Alpha Z cam lock. Not sure how many pins are in there. I don't know if all those cuts are pins or if they're all active pins. Feels like it might be a cramped keyway too, depending on how low these pins are. Hopefully I'm not oversetting something by just pushing the pick through here. There we go. Now let's see if it's guttable. I'm not really sure, or without destroying it. It does have caps. Wonder if I can get them off. They look like they're on there pretty tight. Well, it looks like they will come off without too much fuss. At least that other one did. This one's being a little more stubborn. Yeah, this one might be a bit more stubborn. Not even trying to get started. Hmm. Yep, this side's going to be a pain in the butt. Wonder if it'll pry off of there. Don't really like doing it this way. Makes it harder to get the cap back on if it gets all deformed. Yep, this one's just going to be a pain. Trying to pound that in there. Hopefully I'm not making it worse or harder to get off. There, finally got it started. All right. Go ahead and take this off first. I see a pin in the top, but there's no cap on top, and I did not get to the top pins that opened before I got up there to check them. So those must just be for heat control or passive pins or something. I don't know. I didn't feel like I needed to pick them anyway. Cap is on here pretty snug. This is the right side. So I'm going to put this at the top. I'm going to put all the right sides, or all these locks, I start on the right side at the top of the tray and just try to keep it consistent so I don't get myself mixed up. It's hard to see. It looks like there's caps on those driver pins. And yes, there is caps on them. Looks like all standard drivers, felt like all standard drivers. Not a difficult lock for a high pin count lock, but it was a fun pick. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Just getting those caps started is the hard part, seems like. Making sure, yes, this is the left side. So there's 10 pins plus whatever's in the top, but those do not seem to be active pins, at least not in this lock. Yeah, this says that's what I thought it was going to have, this ring around it. These things can be a pain as well. Although this one seems like it's coming out pretty easy. Never mind. They were, for some reason, pain for me on another lock. Oh, it looks like those pins are not active. Looks like they are just for key control. I don't know why they wouldn't need to be for core retention with the deep cuts in that key. One and four. Just don't want to mix this up. All right. Like no over milling or anything. Standard plug. Like 5 on each side. Total of 10 pins. And the 2 passive pins. All right, that is the Alpha Z.